Welcome back, this is Earl Samm. Today in class we're going to be looking at integration by substitution. So I'm going to be solving this problem while explaining integration by substitution. Okay, so if you're excited to solve with me, let's go. Solution. Now, if you look at this very well, it will not be easy to start expanding this before we start integrating. So expanding it is out of the way. So how do we do to integrate a problem like this? We use what we call integration by substitution. How does it work? Now look at this x squared plus 1. We can say let u equals to x squared plus 1. So we're trying to simplify it so that it's easier for us to work. So if u is x squared plus 1, so we're taking what is in this bracket and called it u. Now we can differentiate this u with respect to x. Since we have u and x, we can differentiate this u with respect to x such that the u dx is equal to, this will give us 2x. If we differentiate x squared, it gives 2x. Differentiate 1, that's a constant, to give 0. So du dx is equal to 2x. Now this is over 1. We can cross multiply and make the x the subject. So we can make the x the subject such that the x is equal to du over 2x. I hope you agree with me. So du dx is 2x over 1. So dx now will be du over 2x. In case you do not agree, let's cross multiply carefully. So du multiplied by 1 is du. So dx multiplied by 2x equals to du multiplied by 1. That's a du, right? So if you divide both sides by 2x divided by 2x, then this 2x will cancel 2x over here. Then dx now is equal to du over 2x. Okay, so that's it. Now we can replace this, we can bring this dx back to our original equation so that this dx is du over 2x. So let's put everything back. So what we now have is x multiplied by u. Remember, our 2x squared plus 1 is now u, right? So u raised to the power 5. Our dx is now du over 2x. I really hope you understand. So first, we picked this variable having this power. We brought it out as u. We differentiated this u with respect to x, and we got this. And then we made the x the subject, and then we have this. So we just put everything back into the original equation. So we have x, which is this x. We have our u now, our u raised to the power 5 multiplied by dx is now what? Du over 2x. So looking at this clearly, this x can cancel this x, right? So what we have is this du over 2. Remember, du over 2 is 1 over 2 du. You know that, right there. This is basic math. So we can, since 1 over 2 now is a constant, we can bring it out. So we can have 1 over 2. There we have what? u5 du. Even if you choose to put the 1 over 2 inside here, it's fine, but this is standard practice. So what we now have is we'll have integral u5 du. So we're integrating u5 with respect to u. Okay, so if we integrate this, it's going to give us half multiplied by this u5 becomes u 5 plus 1. Remember, when integrating polynomials, you add 1 to the power, then you divide it by the new power, which is the 5 plus 1. Yes, plus c. Okay, so let's bring it up. So what we'll have now is half into u6 all over 6 plus c. If we multiply these two, we're going to have u6, that's u6 times 1 is u6, divided by 2 multiplied by 6 is 12 plus c. Okay, I hope it's making sense. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems. So let's go on. Now this is our u. Remember, we made x squared plus 1 u at the beginning, so we have to bring it back. So our u is 2x plus 1 raised to the power 6 all over 12 plus c. So this is our answer. Okay, so when you integrate this, you get this.